On most days, you get up, you go to work, you come back, you eat, you sleep. That's it. But there are days where you give yourself the chance to go out of your comfort zone. And it's those days that I feel release the true adventurer in each and every one of us. And it's those days that remind you of who you can be. And I think I have just experienced one of those days. A day so filled with adventures, I don't even know where to begin telling you about all of them. But a day that definitely confirms my belief that Pakistan is Zindabad, is Zabardast, is Zindabad, and that this is one of the countries where you get a chance to experience adventures like you never thought you could. So let me tell you about my epic day. Adventure number 1. Like, you mean getting on top of an extremely tall animal of about 3 meters high? Let's see how that went. This is pretty exclusive. I think I'm the first person today to ride this animal. I hope he's okay with it. I guess he's still feeling sleepy just like me, so he's calm. Stay calm. This camel was good to me. Thank you. We're becoming friends. I survived it. See, no need for fear. Second adventure is trying to find some dolphins out on the Arabian Sea. For about an hour, just driving out to the open sea, looking for dolphins, see them jumping around and swimming, but apparently there is never any guarantee that we'll actually see them. Alright, maybe we couldn't find the dolphins, but we did find something. What is this? Okay, sometimes it just doesn't happen. No matter what you try, no matter what you do, it's out of your control. But you know what's important? Is to keep fighting on and find alternatives. And be happy with the alternatives. And that's exactly what I did, because this next adventure, adventure number 3, is pretty extreme. Got my adrenaline rushing and running, and got me speeding without getting any tickets. Alright, we're just about to pick up the pace, and I'm about to do something that I've never done before, which is jet skiing on the Arabian Sea. Someone would drive me on this thing, but turns out I got to drive it. Yeah, that was so much fun. You can see my happiness. You can see my joy and my adrenaline, right? Yeah, I had to find a way to calm myself down a little bit and fight a very distinctive fear of mine. The deathly fear of turtles. Which brings me to adventure number 4. Turtle watching on the beaches of Karachi. Look at this precious darling! And you see them hatching on this very beach and then going out into the sea where they belong and where they can grow up and live. But this cutie pie, look at him! So that's it. I can never again explain to you why I ever feared turtles. They are like the sweetest creatures on earth. See? Don't fear things. Just go for them. Just do it. Conquer your fears. Get out of your comfort zone, which is exactly what I did until I went back to Karachi and I had to face another fear. That was just the most unforgettable morning. You know, it was definitely worth getting up at 5 a.m. for all of these marine adventures, and all of this in a city of over 20 million people. You know, to find that kind of serenity and peace and natural beauty is just amazing. So I feel like I've already had so many adventures, but now we're back in Karachi and it's time for something a little bit more urban. This brings me to adventure number 5, which is facing the traffic in Karachi and driving a new mode of transport. Driving a rickshaw. Yes, I drove a rickshaw. Let's see how that went. This is one adventure that I don't really know why I signed up for. I don't know if it's fun or courage or silliness, but I'm just about to start driving a rickshaw on the streets of Karachi. How that all went without a glitch, I have no idea. But clearly I am still here to tell the tale. So I managed to survive that adventure too. Guys, so far, so good. This is pretty amazing. And after all of that, after that crazy day of exploring and trying new things and challenging yourself, I still had one thing left to do. I also didn't tell you that I'm quite scared of shellfish and that I'm also very prone to seasickness. So, conquering 2 fears in a single go. Let's go crabbing. It may look like our captain is very serious about this, but actually, he was quite the prankster. He tried to scare us that the crabs are really dangerous, but of course we didn't quite believe him. Yep, that's what we did, and that's what makes crabbing so much fun. Eventually, these crabs ended up being cooked, boiled, turned red, and sprinkled with some of this really spicy masala tomato sauce. And of course, they ended up on our plates. It's days like these that make me feel like a true adventurer, that bring me to confront my discomfort zones, that bring me to take a look at my fears and reevaluate them. And in the process, reevaluate myself. It's days like this that your adventurous self becomes yourself. It's days like this that challenge us to grow. So here I am. I've grown quite a bit today. Happy adventuring, everyone.